Hi guys, and welcome to class today. I am in a county meeting, so I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what you're going to be doing in class. So this is our planner for 3/24/325. Today is Wednesday, the 24th. And you're going to start off with this, what's called Partner Practice, Team A, Team B worksheet. The sub has these worksheets, and what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to partner up with someone you are sitting next to, either side, front, or back, but you cannot move away from the seating chart because of the COVID situation. So you're going to partner up. One of you will get worksheet A, one of you will get worksheet B. As you're working through, you're going to compare your answers. And at the top, it'll tell you that if you subtract one team's answers from the others, what answer you should get, what your difference should be. And that's how you're going to know that you are doing this correctly. Once you're done with those, you will need to turn those in so that you receive credit. This will not take the entire class period. After that, you're going to go ahead and do your Desmos review. You can get to Desmos through here, but you have two different. One of them is this Intro to Circles, Arc Length. This is copied and pasted exactly. This is the title of the assignment. It's already been assigned to your class. And this is the second one. So you can just click here. It's going to take you to Student Desmos. You have to enter your code. And just in case you need your code, I've put them right here. You can click on this, I think. And here are the class codes. For tomorrow is a day. So 1A, it's that YDGTN7 is your class code. And 4A is WQJ87S is your class code. Okay. Basically, if you went here and lesson 8, I think is where it is. Student Desmos, it's also here. You can get to it. And once again, you would enter your class code and get started. So just to recap, you've got your partner work that you're going to do. And then you've got the two Desmos that you need to submit. And that's what you're going to do today. When we meet next time, it'll be formative 2. All right, be nice to the sub. I know you all always are. Y'all are great kids. And I will see you guys on Friday for your quiz. Hit me up with any questions through It's Learning if you have anything. Thanks, guys. Bye.